Are you trying to decide between Shopify and Square for your business, but you're not sure which one is actually better for you? In this video, I'm going to compare them side by side, break down their pros and cons, and help you choose the right platform depending on your business model. Stick with me till the end because the best choice really depends on how you sell, not just what you sell. Before we start, if you want to test either Shopify or Square, I've left helpful discount links in the description. Using those supports this channel, so thank you. Let's begin. Both Shopify and Square are powerful commerce platforms, but they were built with very different goals in mind. Shopify was designed from the ground up for e-commerce and online selling, while Square started as a point-of-sale solution for in-person businesses like retail stores, cafes, and mobile sellers. So your ideal choice depends on whether you sell online, in person, or both. Square overview. Best for in-person sellers. Square is perfect if you're running a local business. Think barbershops, boutiques, bakeries, food trucks, or beauty salons. It includes free tools to get started, including a free online store hosted on a Square subdomain and even a free card reader for taking in-person payments. Square Pros, extremely easy to use. Great for beginners. Free POS app with offline mode, free online store option. Specialized tools for restaurants and appointment-based businesses. Affordable pricing and simple setup. Square cons. Limited international availability. Customization for online stores is very basic, lacks advanced e-commerce features. No 24/7 customer support, not ideal for fast-growing, scalable online brands. Square is fantastic if you want simplicity and affordability and your main revenue comes from in-person transactions. Shopify overview. Best for online and growing brands. Now, let's talk about Shopify, one of the world's most popular e-commerce platforms. Shopify is built for people who want to build professional online stores that look modern, convert customers, and scale as the business grows. It also has an option for in-person sales using Shopify POS, letting you sell online and offline from the same dashboard. Shopify Pros, powerful online store builder with drag and drop themes. Over 2,000 apps and integrations, supports over 130 currencies and multiple payment methods. Shopify POS syncs online and retail sales, 24/7 customer support. Advanced features like inventory management, abandoned cart recovery, discount codes, and more. Shopify cons, monthly fee. Required extra transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments. Can get expensive with paid apps and themes. Shopify is ideal if you are serious about e-commerce or plan to scale your business, either locally or globally. Final verdict. Which should you choose? If your business is simple and mostly in person, like a local shop, pop-up store, food truck, salon, or small retail business, Square is the better choice. It's easy, affordable, and does exactly what you need without complexity. But if you want to build a full e-commerce brand, sell online and in person, or plan to grow your business long term, then Shopify is the clear winner. It gives you far more control, customization, and scalability. Choose Square if you want easy, budget-friendly in-person selling. Choose Shopify if you want a powerful, scalable online store with the room to grow. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest business tools breakdowns, and check the links in the description to start your free trial with Shopify or Square. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.